Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I really want to appreciate you for watching always and for being here. So guys, today in my previous vlog I told you we are going to somewhere. Yeah, we have arrived our destination, and everybody is here having good time. The kids are so happy. It is the first time we are doing this as a family.
Mommy, this is my bed.
I know it's your bed. Just give me some minutes, okay? Can you just let me be now? Can you let me be? So I will just take you around to see a little bit of how this place look like. I'm not fully satisfied of what I'm seeing, but what can we do? As long as we are not in our house, we are outside. Not really. I love the place. It's so lively, and there are a lot of things to check on, which I'll be taking you guys along very soon. Okay, so but before then, let me just take you around to see how the room looks like. How it looks like. That is it. There's a lot of things to enjoy here, and I'll take you guys around to see them. It's not been long we arrived, and we are going down for is it prawns? What is prawns itself? Lunch, yeah. I'm going down for lunch very soon. After which, no, don't open anything. Just leave it. Only bring out what you will use for swimming, because we are going to park the spiaggia. Sì, quelli andiamo lì. So we'll be having our lunch, after which we'll be going to have good time with the kids for them to start the enjoyment. Alright, so I'll see you guys soon. Let me rest at least for these few days. No cooking, no shouting, no work to do, just cool up the head and life goes on. It's good once in a lifetime. Take off time, to rest. Okay, so that is what we are doing now, and I will see you very soon. Okay, so this is the room. This is this hotel no be amo. Their toilet today local.
Il nostro letto è il nostro è tutto nostro.
Hey!
È tutto nostro.
After it, you are going to spiaggia, eh? Which one of us take what you want today? Danny, sit down here. Ecco. Sì.
Allora.
E questa qua? Ah, ok. Questa qua?
Questa?
Sì, questa.
How many? 5?
No, not 5. 3.
3?
Sì.
Allora, 3 is 1.
Uno di questa?
Una tropina.
E poi
Una di quelle.
sì, uno di questi.
Ok. And the first, do you want something?
Yeah. This.
Passato? How many?
No, questa no, solo questa.
Oh, gnocchi?
Sì.
5?
Sì.
Ah, ok, 5.
4 e
Quattro.
poi uno di questi.
4 e 1. This one for tonight.
For tonight.
Yeah.
Ok.
Non ti piace che trovi una cosa bella?
Abbiamo pasta.
Ma qui non c'è. No, quello sono tutto mani. Senti, ho ordinato qualcosa di...
Poi questa. Pomodoro. Olive. Aceto, sì, aceto.
Balsamico bianco?
Aceto bianco. C'è l'olio, no?
Un po' di olio?
Sì, olio. Grazie.
Bro, dai, io non pensavo che c'è da
Non c'è una. E vuole potato.
la giusta.
So guys, I know you'll be wondering, what is this guy going to eat right now? What is this? Like, after I had the appetizer, this happens to be my first plate. I ordered this, like, I know what it is, but the black nature is what I don't understand. And I wanted to, have a taste of it, to know what is special about this black rice. And guys, oh my god, it was so sweet, so delicious, and filled with seafood. They prepared it with shrimps and every other seafood you can think of. It was so nice. And I ordered what we call gnocchi for my family, my kids, and my husband. That gnocchi is a potato, okay? It's a molded potato that is prepared jollof, okay? And they enjoyed it, they liked it, like it was so delicious. When that bus go downstairs, don't carry motor go for display. No, not far. 2 kilometers. No far. When it's okay.
Mommy has to put tutto ok. Mommy, prende quadrato.
So the second one I have here is roasted chicken breast and some veggies, and I equally have some seafood here, some fried seafood as the
Later,
third
so
plate, and here the fruit to step down, and right there is the yogurt my daughter ordered for. So here we are done and we are about to go out and prepare for swimming.
Ho fatto un po' di foto.
Snap with my phone.
Ah, guarda che brutto. Guarda Dio.
Swim! Are you starting to drink?
Allora lei secondo me la